Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another beauty routine. This is one of my favorite behind the scenes beauty routines that I don't really get a chance to show you guys on camera often unless you follow me on IG stories. So I'm just going to share with you how and why I shave my face. So first you'll see that I'm starting off with a lot of hydration. Now you guys, when I say a lot of hydration, I really want my moisturizer or my mask to have submerged in my skin. I really do think that this softens the skin and makes it prep to release hair. That's me. That's how I like to do it. You guys do you. I'm just sharing with you how I shave my face. I'm also going to be using a very inexpensive eyebrow razor. I call this an eyebrow razor because since I've been on YouTube, they have a handle. I think I can get a really good grip. The only thing that I would tell you to be cautious of when using an eyebrow razor is to make sure that all the little teeth on the blade are turned in one direction. Sometimes you can get them because they are so inexpensive. You can get the teeth have little snags on them, and that's the only way that I've seen that I've gotten cut. So just be cautious of that. But outside of that, I'm going to definitely pull my skin very, very taut to make sure that I'm only releasing the hair. I want to have a lot of firmness on it so I can actually really get that blade to lay flat against the skin, and therefore I can get the hairs that I want to remove. I also use this technique in my eyebrow razoring technique that definitely went viral, and you'll see I'm going to include that in this video as well. I'm just using a little bit of, brow product. I'm filling in my eyebrows to a certain degree just to make sure the hairs that I remove from around my eyebrow area are the hairs that I want to remove. I think this is very instrumental if you're trying to grow your eyebrows out or change the shape, because some of the hairs that look sparse, they might be a part of the big picture. So if you start to remove them just by eyeing it, I don't think that you're going to complete the look the way that you want. So I do use this technique on myself. I also use it on my clients, and I get a flawless end result every time. So that's just a little insight that I would give you, especially if you're going to go to someone to have your face dermaplane, if you're going to have your eyebrows done, if you're going to even have them threaded. Going in with the filled-in eyebrow, they give the artist a little bit of an idea of the type of brow that you like. Therefore, they can get a visual because most artists are visual. So that's my little tidbit on that. That's why I like to do my own eyebrows at home, why I also like to razor my face at home. And now you guys can comment down below. What do you think about razoring your face? Are you into it? Is it something that I should stop? I don't know. Comment down below. Maybe we'll take your advice. Maybe not. But until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.